Hi friends, good afternoon. Okay, so remember this week in science we are learning about all about the season of winter, right? Because last week we learned about fall, this week we're learning about winter. So Miss Greyhouse is going to read this book to you called Snow, and it is a non-fiction book, which means it is real or true. So it says, snow is ice that falls from clouds. Snow falls when the air is very cold. Snowflakes form high inside a cloud. They start as tiny ice crystals. The ice crystals grow bigger and heavier. They fall through the cloud. So guys, when it rains or snows, what happened is there was too much water in the cloud. And so it falls out as rain or snow if it's cold enough to snow. The ice crystals smash into each other. When they stick together, they form bigger snowflakes. So think about when you see it snow. Sometimes you have really tiny snowflakes and sometimes you have big snowflakes. Most snowflakes have 6 sides. They come in many shapes. So look at all the different snowflake shapes we have over here. This snowflake has thin branches. It looks like a star. So the branches are these little lines coming off to the sides, right? This snowflake has thick branches. This snowflake has almost no branches at all. These snowflakes are a jumble of ice crystals. Every snowflake is different. Sometimes big fluffy snowflakes fall to the ground. This snow is wet and heavy. So friends, if you've ever had to shovel snow, that's the snow that's really hard to shovel. Other times, small, crisp snowflakes fall to the ground. The snow is light and powdery. And look at this dog, friends, so cute. Miss Greyhouse's dog likes to play in the snow too. She has lots of fur. Snow that falls in a flurry stops and starts again. A flurry does not bring much snow. Snow falls fast during a snowstorm. The snow can really pile up, so look at all that snow. The biggest snowstorms are blizzards. Strong winds blow snow around so much that it is hard to see. The air becomes icy cold. It is dangerous to be outside during a blizzard. Snow covers the ground after a snowstorm. Sometimes wind pushes the snow into huge drifts. The snow stays until warm weather melts it away. And that is it, friends. So you guys are going to head on over to Seesaw and answer some questions about our book. And guys, Miss Greyhouse is excited for it to snow. Miss Greyhouse loves the snow and cold weather. So we did an awesome job, friends, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great day.